Okay, so I have washed these. It's not, as you can see, the stuff hasn't completely come off, but I will get onto that in a second. Now, I have absolutely no idea how these all fit together, so I'm gonna ask a professional. So I don't know where this bit goes. I think that's, is that or?
Hold it down, not so high.
Is it that or?
Keep going.
Yeah, I know, I don't know which bit's which. So I'm thinking, does that go?
I'm going to make it a bit higher. Right, it's a bit higher now. Hold it there.
Is that in there? What's that?
I don't know. It's weird. It's well, it's not. There's nothing.
It doesn't fit together.
I
wonder if I have snapped it by accident.
Well, it's a huge snap, isn't it? It doesn't seem to fit together. It's crazy, really. I mean, even if it's snapped, where does it?
It doesn't even come.
Box it comes in. There are 6 to collect. The red one is the guy we had, headless, and the bits and pieces didn't fit. Dinosaur Small Excavation Kit, £2.50. There's details here. Suppose 0 to 8 you can't do it. Can't do it when you're older than that. Where's it made? Conforms to the remainer's dream. And there we go, let's see what's in it then. What bits have we excavated? Right, well, it's the body here, and oops, there we go, looks like a foot, 2 arms, there's no arm in it, one of those pieces which I can't fit in there. Who knows? Is that the head? No, the head looks like that. Oh, there it is, that's the tail. How do you actually attach the tail to it? Bizarre. Absolutely bizarre. Well, there you have it. Jurassic Lark.